Hello everybody, on today's video we have this 8-in-1 nut milk maker. Let's get unboxed and check it out. As we said in the intro, this nut milk maker can make almond, oat, soy, coconut milk, and more. It includes a filter, nut milk bag, a brush, measuring cup, and a recipe book. And this recipe book is loaded, friend. It's perfect for making homemade almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, coconut milk, smoothies, juices, and even soups. Can you believe that? It's got a 40-ounce capacity. It's great for families or for meal prepping, which is nice. And you got a 10-blade stainless steel design, smoother, finer blending. All you have to do is add your nuts, then set it and forget it, and just in a matter of minutes you are going to have yourself some beautiful, tasty, delicious almond, oat, whatever milk you would like. You also got a preset timer that makes it easy to operate as well. Just set it and forget it. Once again, a couple minutes later, you have yourself some beautiful finished nut milk. And when finished, just go ahead and strain it and pour it right into your cup. And it tastes so wonderfully delicious. You can also make smoothies as well. Here I am just putting a little almond milk in with my smoothie mix. And look at this. That tastes fantastic. And you can boil water, and it has a self-cleaning function as well. This thing is packed and loaded and has everything you need in a nut milk maker. And that was the 8-in-1 nut milk maker. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.